Welcome back to another episode of Give Back Garage. In this video, we will receive our replacement car, which we will fix, make it as good as we can so we can prepare that to give it to Lisa. We do want to say a big thank you to Taylor, who is standing here next to Jeff. Taylor heard about the channel through his mom and wanted to support the channel and was willing to sell his 2005 Kia Sportage at a very, very reasonable price. We also want to thank all the contributors that contributed financially to not only purchase this car, but to help fix it so we can make it as best as possible for Miss Lisa.
You know, I'm just happy to be helping out with a good cause. You know,
Yeah.
It's going to be in good hands, so it's all good.
No, yeah, we appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Happy
We
to help.
appreciate it. Jeff, what do you think?
I'm digging it. Now, just because of that front right tire, it's going to be interesting getting on the highway. We'll see if hopefully it holds and
Yep.
doesn't leave me stranded, but we should be fine.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
sure Lisa will love it. It's definitely in much better condition than her current vehicle, so it'll be a good one.
I think so too. Awesome. Well, thanks a lot, man. We appreciate your.
Happy to help.
Wipers off.
Well, it sounds pretty nice. It's a V6.
Yeah.
Interior is in pretty good shape.
Yeah, I mean, for the price, you can
Give Back
Absolutely.
Garage.
absolutely cannot beat this. Can't beat it with a stick. I
All
can't turn the wipers off.
You may have to. Oh, there you go.
Did I think I get it?
Yeah,
Ooh,
and then-
air conditioner.
And it goes like that.
See, this is
I'm-
why
I'm
I have you
teaching-
around. Got the first project car going on, Kia Sportage. Picked it up for a solid deal. Let me give you a few rundowns on the car. So the front right suspension is gone. It pulls so hard to the right. You can hear it clunking around. That would definitely explain why the front tire is down to the cords. So that's definitely going to need to be one of the first things that we go after. Also found out the blinkers aren't working either one, so it's probably a relay somewhere that we got to hunt down and figure out. Shouldn't be too hard. Getting ready to dive into our first project here. We got the Kia Sportage. I'm going to take you right to it. You can already tell where most of the work's going to need to be, right here in the front right corner. And let me show you what we're working with. We got something going on with this front right tire here. You can see we're past the wear bars, down into the cords of the rubber. So we're gonna get this thing taken apart, see what we got going on here. All right, so what we had to do, put the new control arm in there. Get in focus. Bushings were completely shot. Put the new brake pads on. Nice. Pretty, everything else honestly didn't look too bad. And up here, new oil. Down on this side, did the brakes. Also replaced the boot back here. So that's looking good. Next up, we got Dave coming in, polish these out. Take this big bad boy out as well. Tell me this has ever happened to you. You get done, you finish doing all the repairs that you need to do. You jump in the car, you're feeling good, you're feeling hopeful. You press the gas, you're driving down the street, you hit a slight bump, and what do you know? The noise is still there. Not only is it still there, but you got new noises now. So I'm jumping back into it. We replaced the control arm last time. We put new brakes on it. This time we're gonna do sway bar links, inner tie rods, and ball joint. I kind of, to be honest with you, cheesed out a little bit of not replacing the ball joint. It's kind of at those moments where you're like, I should do this. It's not that expensive, but I don't want to drive to the parts store. So here I am. And just like you, doing everything twice as long, but it is what it is, and we're gonna get this thing taken care of. All right, here we got some of the parts that we just ripped off. Some samples I'm gonna show to you guys. Here's a Kia ball joint, super easy to take off. Just 2 bolts, zips right off. No special tool or press needed other than a pickle fork. Let me show you. This is one of the tie rods inner tie rod we took off. This is a bad inner tie rod. Makes that noise, not good. Let me show you a bad sway bar link. Makes that noise, it's not good. This thing is barely in here. So between these two, the ball joint not looking so hot, not terrible, but these two were our culprits for making all the noise. All right, we got all of it taken care of. Someone came over to help me out, which is always fantastic to have buddies helping you in the garage. Forge is almost ready to go. Still need to get the tires, wiper blades, gotta run to the shop or store to get those. What else? I think that's about it. Headlights need to get buffed out. Dent needs to get pulled out. Depending on how motivated I am, I might clear some of this right here. But so far, good to go.
So, in the next episode, we will give this car over to Lisa. And maybe something to think about, that rejection notice doesn't necessarily mean it's over. Thanks for watching.